Sri Gokulam Public School, Chengalpet. Computer Science, Standard 5. Chapter 2, Computer Virus by R. Vasudevan. Children, you know very well nowadays human virus, that is COVID-19. It is a harmful virus for human being. Similarly, in computer, so many viruses are there. Okay, computer virus. A computer virus is a program that is designed to damage our computer, programs and files. Like a virus in a living thing, a computer virus can spread if it is not removed. Some viruses are more dangerous than others. One of the most common places for a computer virus to appear is an email. For example, we may have a virus that just pops as a message box on the screen, and then the virus is discharged, and we can have a virus that deletes half of the hard drive. While inserting the pen drive or anything while playing the games, we can notify from your system virus effects of a computer virus. It can slow down our system. Once your system is slow, then it is affected by some viruses. It might corrupt our system files. Sometimes if you insert pen drive, some data are lost, so this corrupt the files. It might make some program faulty or corrupt. Sometimes the programs will be not open properly. It is also one of the virus affected. It might damage the boot sector, creating problems when you boot into the Windows. It damages the boot sector, so then Windows will not open properly. It might steal important information from our computer and send it to some other person. Without our knowledge, the messages are sent to another person. It also one of the virus. It might change the power rating of our computer and could be blast the system. Sometimes it hot or anything, no, the system will be blast. What viruses cannot do? Viruses do not infect computer hardware such as monitor, printer, computer chips. So they are not affect. Only it affects software. Viruses that infect DOS do not infect Windows computer software and vice versa. So viruses mostly affect DOS systems. It not affect the Windows computer system nowadays. It is vice versa, means the opposite. For example, the Militia virus incident of late 1998 and the I Love You virus of 2000 worked only on Windows based machines and could not operate on Macintosh computer. Viruses do not infect compressed files unless the file was infected prior to the compression. While compress the file size also reduce and it never affected by the viruses. Compressed files are programs or files with its common characters removed to take up less space on a disk. So it also reduces the space while using the compress. What are the symptoms of a computer virus? The computer may be infected if you recognize any of these malware symptoms. Slow computer performance. While using your system, when it is very working slow, no, it is one of the viruses affected. Erratic computer behavior. While using, if you are clicking some link, it going to the another link, it is one of the virus affected. Unexplained data loss. For example, if you save last week on data, now the file is not there. It is one of the virus affected. Frequent computer crashes. Computer crashes because of errors in the operating system or error in the computer hardware. Software errors are probably more common, but hardware errors can be devastating and harder to diagnose. Why people create computer viruses? To make money, to steal account information, to cause problems and trouble for others. While creating the virus, you can take the information and give to the other person, then they will get the money. So it causes a problem for other person also. So only they are creating the viruses. How the viruses enter the computer? A virus can only spread from one computer to another when its host is taken to the uninfected computer. For instance, by a user sending it over a network or the internet, or by carrying it on a removable medium such as a floppy disk, CD or USB drive. For example, if you are taking some data from your system to the school, if your system affected some viruses, then if you are copy from the pen drive and insert in your school, then the system will be infected. Bluetooth mobile devices. Nowadays people are using with the Bluetooth speaker, everything. So it also affect virus easily. Opening spam mail attachment. In Gmail, Yahoo and all spam mail will be there. That is more advertisement, other links will become. So don't open, it also affect the virus. Internet software, gaming and multimedia download. While downloading the software and the games and other multimedia downloads also affect the system. Accepting to open without scanning devices, USB drive, CD and DVD. While inserting the pen drive or CD, you want to first check the virus. Then only you want to copy the file and paste in your system. A virus behave in different ways. Some viruses stay active only when the application or a part of it running. Turn the computer off and the virus is inactive. Other viruses will operate every time we turn on our computer after infecting a system file or network. Some viruses, while off, it will be shut down. Other viruses, when the system is shut down also, the virus will be affect the files. Types of viruses: file viruses, macro viruses, encrypted viruses, forms, resident viruses, logical bomb, boot sector virus and Trojan viruses. File viruses. A file virus is the most common kind of virus. This kind of virus usually infect .exe and .com files. So it is an extension of the some files which are the main component of your program or application. A file virus can insert its own code into part of the file. So when the infected program file runs, the virus get executed first. If the file is affected, then automatically the system will be affected. Macrovirus. This type of virus infect files that are created using Gherkin application or programs that contains macros. These mini programs make it possible to automate series of operations so that they are performed as a single action, thereby saving the user from having to carry them out one by one. For example, relax. Some applications have created the virus while install your system, it affect your system. Encrypted virus. This type of viruses consist of encrypted malicious code or decrypted module. The virus use encrypted code technique which make antivirus software hardly able to detect them. The antivirus program usually can detect this type of virus when they try spread by decrypting themselves. This type of virus automatically the code converted into decrypt the files. Forms. A worm is technical not a virus, but a program very similar to a virus that has the ability to self-replicate and can lead to negative effect on the system. So it is not a virus, but it is affect themselves. It is self-replicate. They can be detected and eliminated by antivirus. While installing the antivirus, it automatically remove from your system. So your system will be safe. Resident virus. This type of virus is permanent virus which develops in the RAM memory. You know RAM? Random access memory. So it affects your RAM memory. From there, it can overcome and interrupt all of the operations executed by the system. So then while using anything from your system, it affects your system. Computing files and programs that are opened, closed, copied, renamed can be affected by it. While use copying, rename or anything, no, the resident virus will be affect your system. Logical bomb. It performs a task when particular action has occurred, otherwise it is not harmful. While clicking that particular file, then only the logical bomb virus will be affect your system. Otherwise it not affect your system. The action can be clicking on the particular file or folder. For example, I save temple. That particular temple file I will click, then only it affect your system. Otherwise it not affect your system. Boot sector virus. This virus replaces the startup code in a disk with a modified version which is loaded into the memory when the computer is started. For example, polioboot.b anti-exe. Boot sector is in the hard disk. The CD affected, no, it is called as boot sector virus. Affect your hard disk. Trojan horse. Trojan horse is a destructive program. It destroys your program. It usually pretends as a computer game or application software. Children, you are playing game, no? So it affects mostly Trojan horse virus. If executed, computer system will be damaged. Then virus will be affected. Your system will be damaged easily, and your system will be slow. Got the system with antivirus. Computer antivirus, best computer antivirus. Computer antivirus. Antivirus software is a program or a set of programs that are designed to prevent, search for, detect and remove software viruses and other malicious software like harms, Trojan, hardware and more. The antivirus software remove the viruses affected from your systems. It safeguard your computer. Best computer antiviruses. There are so many antiviruses which work against viruses, but some antivirus are trusted and are very famous. Norton antivirus, AVG antivirus, Panda antivirus, Kaspersky antiviruses. Norton antivirus. Keep the system safe when we surf, shop and bank online. While banking online, that are safe by using the antivirus. Protect the system from social media scam. In social media means the Facebook, Twitter, TikTok and all, no, that times it will be protect your system. Stop online threats. While using the online, the data and all they will capture. For that also it protect your system. Blocks infected and dangerous download. While downloading the damages or infected programs that are product from your systems, it never download for your system. AVG antiviruses. Superior phishing protection help us to download and share files without risk. While downloading any file without risk, you can share the file. It protect the system. Social networking protection. While using the Facebook, Twitter and so on, so it protect your system. Panta antivirus. Protection against all kind of known and unknown threats. Protects our communication against online frauds. Protect our networks against hacker and intruder. While data and all taking from online, no, so it will be protect your system. Kaspersky antivirus, real-time protection against computer viruses, spyware and more. Ensure the applications on the PC are safe. Fast and efficient PC performance. Rollback of harmful malware activity. The real-time protection. Nowadays, many viruses are created day by day. So in this software, every day they will update the new antivirus softwares. So it protect your system day by day. So it is very useful, this software, Kaspersky antivirus. Preventing the computer from virus. Prevention focus on avoiding contact with the viruses. Here are some tips to prevent our computer from getting virus infected. Always install antivirus software into the computer to protect the computer and keep in update regularly. Children, how many of you have installed antivirus in your system and a regular update? Then only your system will be safe. Downloading files from unreliable sources such as unfamiliar website and pop-ups are mostly the common place to catch viruses. While famous website means in Wikipedia, Yahoo, Google and all famous website. While downloading something, it be safe. If you are unknown website, if you download, it affect your system. Thus, it is suggested that user always scan each program downloaded before running it. While downloading the software, you want to check the viruses. Never click a link from a unknown and suspicious email or open the attachment along with. I already told you, while spam and all in email, don't open the files. It are advertisement and some other links will come to your mail. Don't click that spam mails. Do not use somebody else's USB stick because it could contain virus and could infect the computer. Some pen drive is there, no? If you don't take and put and open your system, it also affect your computer. Open email attachment files only if you are expecting the attachment files or the sender is known and has confirmed sending the files. You know the person you are receiving the correct email, then you click and open. Otherwise, don't open the mail. It affects your system and also they will take your personal information for the use. Recap. A computer virus is a program that is designed to damage our computer, programs and files. A virus can slow down our computer. Viruses do not infect computer hardware. Some viruses stay active only when the application or a part of it is running. Trojan horse is a destructive program. Resident virus is permanent, which dwells in the RAM memory. Thank you. Jai Gurudev.